One of the things we see with medical device companies is really that gap between design to production manufacturing.
Cost is generally a huge driver for medical device companies. Material, shipping, and inflation have plagued the cost of raw material and processing, driving higher costs across the board, which is a great challenge to our medical device companies.
Our medical customers enjoy working with Modus Advanced for a number of reasons. One is that we have a proven track record within the industry. We serve dozens of high-level medical customers, and we've done so for years.
We have partnerships with suppliers that are very well known in the industry, brand names such as Rogers Poron and Bisco Silicones, and their reputation for quality and performance. These are types of parts that will last and perform over time.
We also have a robust quality system. In the medical world, obviously quality is paramount.
We have a quality manager, we have several quality engineers. Quality is built and ingrained in our culture. Even our sales guys have quality backgrounds. We have engineers throughout our company that ensure that we supply a quality product to our customers.
What sets Modus apart in serving the medical device community is we're really nimble and we're vertically integrated. So we have a lot of different manufacturing capabilities that range across your project.
We can machine the component, we can dispense an FIP gasket, die cut, CNC cut, or water jet cut, and we can sell them a turnkey solution. We also have a clean work environment along with a clean room. Those two things obviously are going to be important when producing medical parts. Many of these components will go into devices and you have to have them free of any debris, and so our work environments allow us to assure that those parts are meeting every quality spec that's required by these medical customers.
So these projects can take a lot of time to get their FDA approvals. We really help customers through the trials and tribulations, through getting a medical device to market. And we do, I think, a really good job of taking our materials, utilizing that with our processes in-house, and getting the prototypes to meet your time to market for all the different stages that are involved in medical device.
The whole goal of Modus is to help these customers take product to market sooner. These are life-changing, life-saving devices, and we built a system that allows us to deliver with that speed and precision that a medical customer is going to require.